Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be doing the Bitcoin technical analysis, and what I have here is the chart for Bitcoin versus USD, one-day candles from Bitfinex. So this is how I left this chart in one of my previous videos. That's how I left my chart. All these arrows are from my previous videos, all the lines and everything. So this is my main chart. Actually, this is the chart I use mainly, the one-day candles from Bitfinex. Okay, so if you go and check out my previous video that I was reviewing this chart, you will see that I was saying it's more probable that we're going crashing down because I have been comparing the Bitcoin chart with the bubble model, and bubbles usually crash faster than they go up. So by probability, I thought this most likely will crash fast. But if the 2014 patterns from the 2014 bubble continue to repeat, so that's why I put this note here in my previous video. I said if 2014 continues to repeat, then we are going here, and I put these two arrows going up and then down to this $2,400 Fibonacci level here. We almost touched this Fibonacci level yesterday, but we're bouncing up because we have both moving averages here, 50-day moving average and 20-day moving average acting as a support. And so we're bouncing up for how long, I don't know. I think we're still going down to this to at least this Fibonacci level here, 2,400. I said in my previous market cap technical analysis that we're probably going down to 80 billion, something like that. So I have been showing this. These patterns are almost identical with the 2014 top of the bubble. The only difference is that now things are happening a lot slower than back then. And so yeah, last time I reviewed the market cap technical analysis, we were somewhere here, and I said as soon as we finish going up, making a double top with this here, then we're going down to probably 80 billion. So we are right now at around 86 billion, 87 and a half. I think we didn't finish going down yet. It just that it encountered here some resistance, but I think it's not going to be able to break the resistance in the way up, so it'll continue to go down. That's my take. Of course, I could be wrong. I have been getting it right a lot if you've seen my videos, but of course I will not get it. I will not get it right 100% of the times. That's not how technical analysis work. In the long run, if you're a very good analyst, you will be right 60% of the times. So yeah, expect me to be wrong. But for now, I'm basing my conclusions in the 2014 bubble. It's repeating itself like unbelievable. Like it's been very, very consistent. So that's what I'm going to continue doing. Base my analysis in the 2014 bubble. So this is, if you see this rounded shape here, like from this low point to this low point, try to remember this, and now look at this in 2017. It happened a lot slower, but look, the rounded shape from this big low to this big low, it's just every high and every low, they're repeating. So if it continues to repeat, expect continue to go down for a few more days, maybe a week. I don't know exactly for how long, but going down to near 80 billion. So expect all the coins to go down with it, of course. And then I'm guessing it's going to be around this Fibonacci line, 2,400. And then from there, I believe, again, following the 2014 top of the bubble, what's going to happen is that it's going to go up very slow, and it's going to be going up maybe for a couple of months or something for a quite long time. And then before we hit resistance, probably 2,700, something like that, then we will enter a very slow and long bear market, just like it happened in 2014. If the pattern would have been broken here, instead of having this pump here, if we would have gone down from here, I would believe the patterns are broken and we're just having a normal bubble. You know, it's gonna complete the cycle normal fast, and so then we can consolidate and grow in a healthy way. But after we had this pump, like I can see this is very, very similar with the bubble in 2014. Not only the patterns, I lived that bubble through. I was in Bitcoin from 2013, and I lived that bubble. And it's not only the patterns; it's the hype that I can see in social media, and even in mainstream media. Bitcoin has a lot of attention. People don't believe that we're in a bubble. Many people believe we're still going up. I mean, in 2014, you can see the weekly chart. I'm gonna hide my drawings. So see, we went all-time highs and we crashed very heavily, and then quickly recovered, going near all-time highs, where everybody thought we were gonna continue to go all-time highs. Same thing here. We go parabolic, big drop, and then go up quickly, recovering, and everybody think we're going all-time highs because of all the fundamentals, all the media giving attention, all the hype on YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. And but that's not how bubbles work. I highly doubt we're gonna break all-time highs in this bubble cycle, because after you go parabolic, you have to go down. And naturally, we should go down quick, but because we have all this hype and all these bulls, they're not letting this crash. They continue to buy the dips, just like it happened in 2014. I can see the same thing, not only on the charts, but in society in general, you know. And you will say, oh, you know, the world is very different now than it was in 2014. Now Bitcoin is taking off in Asia, and now the scaling issue is going to be resolved, and it's not the same. That's what everybody says in every bubble. It doesn't matter what asset. It doesn't matter if it's cryptocurrency, regular stocks, housing bubble. Every bubble. Like in the denial phase, which is what we are right now, no one believes. They always make excuses to believe that this is going to continue to go up forever, but it doesn't happen like that. So now I'm going to show you this. So here in 2014, if we draw an ascending support from the, you know, where the parabolic movement started to the first big drop here, like this new low, we draw a line here. If we are in a bull market, then this line will have to hold, and we will continue to go up and break all-time highs. But look at what happened when this line is tested and this line can't hold. Boom, we have a big sell-off. So this is what happened in 2014, and now this line will have to be tested in 2017. So I'm going to draw this line here. And guys, let's see what happens when this line is tested. Of course, I think there's still days or weeks before this line is tested, but this is the key line. Once this line can't hold the price, and I believe it won't hold it, we're going to have a huge sell-off, because, you know, the bulls will be exhausted. Like when the bulls realize that this line doesn't hold, and they understand they go like, oh shit, maybe we are in a bear market, I better sell here or I'm going to lose a lot of money. And then you experience a big sell-off. Every time an ascending support it's broken in a bear market, you can expect a big sell-off. And if you don't believe it, just look, every time it happens we have a drop. Here people were saying that I watched a couple of videos where people were confusing this with a pennant bullish pattern or with a triangle bullish pattern. It is not. It's the price trying to hold on to this ascending support that you can see in the middle of the channel, and when the ascending support can't hold it anymore, you experience a big sell-off. Same thing happened here. As soon as we enter the bear market, people were confusing this with a symmetric triangle here. This is not. It was the price trying to hold on to this ascending support, which is the bottom of the channel. And when the price, like the bulls were being exhausted, and when the ascending support can't hold the price anymore, we experience a big sell-off, because bulls understand that if this line doesn't hold the price, then we might really be in a bear market, so they all sell. So now what I can expect is this ascending support to be tested. This is going to be key, guys. When this line is tested, then we will really know if we are in a bear market or in a bull market. And I believe I don't think this line is going to hold the price, but I guess we will see. But if it doesn't hold it, then we're really going down. For the short term, Bitcoin is in a no trading zone. I have been saying this in all my videos. I mean, what do you have to win here? The risk reward ratio is not even worth it. Do you think, first of all, by probability, it's more probable that we are going down in the long, medium long run. We can have some pumps here like this one we had here. It's very normal in bubbles to have several bull traps and and come back to normal phases. But it's very difficult to predict this. I mean, this pump here, you tell me, who predicted this? No one. Like, it's impossible. If someone tells you they can predict these pumps and make money of them, like, you can guess. But I mean, that's not, to me, it's not worth the risk reward. And I would say Bitcoin is in a no trading zone. So for the short term, I expect to continue to go down with the whole market in general, at least to 2,400, if not lower. And then from there, if 2014 continues to repeat, then there will come a point where it will start to go up slowly. I believe we will be able to make some money in that, little bull trend, because I think we're going to have a bull trend for a long time before we crash for good. But the bull trend is not going to be anything near parabolic. It's going to be very slow, going up very, very slow, and just a little bit, but you can still make money from uptrends. So I will be informing on that as soon as I see it. If I'm correct, of course. Don't expect me to be correct 100% of the times. But the big picture is we're going down, and when this line is tested, we're really going down. The RSA is showing going down as well. So yeah, at least expect 2,400, maybe even to the next one, 2,200. I'm not sure about that. Yeah, I can't get it right exactly. I mean, I can anticipate the price movement, but I cannot get the price exactly right from 1 week to the next, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to clarify this. I'm not going to be right 100% of the times. I have been getting it right a lot with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the market cap. But even the best analysts, they get it right 60% of the time in the long run. So, expect me to be wrong in 40% of my videos. If someone tells you they can get it right all the time because they have a crystal ball or something, I wouldn't believe it. So that's just how reality is. And yeah, I see Bitcoin going down. It's holding on to the moving averages, but I don't think they're gonna hold much more. They're flattening. They're not even trending up. So yeah, this is my take. I hope this was clear, guys. Thanks for watching. Please give me some feedback, and I will see you in the next video soon. Bye for now.